Hello everyone, it's Oxy, greetings from somewhere in Colombia. I just wanted to highlight how important Chingu has been for me during my career. If it weren't for it, I would probably wouldn't be where I am today. I feel like it's extremely important because it puts you in a situation where you acquire real skills that you can apply in a day-to-day job, and you can just do it um, in your own time, you know, with real teams, building real projects, and it's an extremely important topic of discussion during interviews. I found interviewers interested in learning more about Chingu more than once, so definitely check out Chingu. It's been an amazing experience. It has helped me get new jobs. It, I have met new people thanks to it, and I have learned many different things, so definitely check it out.